My name is Prashant Kumar Singh. My topic is different type of information communication. First, we talk about our objective of this PPT to understand the term information and communication and discuss different type of information communication. And now we talk about information and communication separately. Information may be defined as uh, through processing of data. It is a flow of message and part of communication process. It is also the building block of knowledge. The communication is derived from Latin words communes, which means sharing. Communication is a process of sharing ideas, information, message with others in particular time and place. It is also an information transport system. Now we talk about type of information communication. Information communication may be classified in different categories by different characteristics and different concepts. It includes by source, vocal, non-vocal, verbal, non-verbal, in destination, interpersonal, intrapersonal, group, mass public, in purpose and style. It includes formal and informal. Now we talk about vocal information. In this communication, source use vocal cords is known as vocal communication. From shouting to spoken language is the range of this type of communication. For example, human voice or singing, bird calls, animal noise, etc. In non-vocal communication, there are using of signs, signals, and symbols in the non-vocal communication. For example, signs we use traffic police sign in signal railway transport signal in symbols we use in mathematical classification schemes, etc. In verbal communication, it is use of words in communication through use of words is verbal communication. For example, speech, speaking, talking, reading, etc. These are categorized different types: oral communication, documentary, print, audio, and digital. In non-verbal communication refers to actions such as vocalization, facial expression, gesture, and some other human behaviors. For example, communication by touch, by tone, by facial expression, etc. It can be classified in different types as following: kinetics, body signals, haptics, touch signals, proxemics, space signal, chronomics, time signal, paralinguistic, complementary in meaning, appearance, dress signal, iconics, object signal. Now we talk about interpersonal communication. The communication between two or more than two persons is interpersonal communication. It could be face to face or using any of media such that is telephone, letters, message, mail, etc. For example, teaching, learning, customer relation, or chatting, etc. Intrapersonal communication. The communicating within one person, him or herself, is known as intrapersonal communication. Here, the sender is relevant organ, receiving receiver. Our brain also fed by brain of one person only. It is also different types as following: postures, muscle tensions, sleep, tranquilizers, emotion. For example, writing, reading, observing. Now we talk about group communication. The communication involving many people in a group is known as group communication. For example, meeting, group discussion, seminar, conference, etc. Public mass communication. This type of communication refers to communication between one person or group of persons communicate to a large audience recipient through a special media, such that print broadcasting. For examples, book, periodicals, newspapers, TV, film, etc. Now we talk about formal communication and informal communication. Formal communication confers to establish professional rules, standard, and process. Such communications are generally in written and may take any of forms, policy manuals, procedure, and rules. It is type of communication which reports. It avoids using slang terminology. For example, book memoranda, official meeting reports, conference proceeding, etc. And informal communication, it is just a casual talk generally happens among friends and family. It doesn't allow any authority lines, for example, speech, talking, discussion, and any live performance. I use these references for making this PPT. That's the end of my presentation. Thank you.